Another day, another story. Hello and welcome to this video all about food. Food is one of the most important things in our lives. Not only does it give us the energy we need to survive, but it can also be incredibly delicious and enjoyable to eat. In this video, we'll be exploring some of the different types of food out there, as well as some interesting facts about food that you may not have known before. Segment 1. Types of food. First, let's talk about the different types of food. There are so many different categories of food, but here are just a few. Fruits and vegetables. These are some of the most important types of food because they provide us with many of the vitamins and minerals we need to stay healthy. Grains. Grains are an important source of carbohydrates, which our bodies need for energy. Meat and protein. These foods are rich in protein, which our bodies need to build and repair muscle tissue. Dairy. Dairy products like milk and cheese are a good source of calcium, which is important for strong bones. Sweets and snacks. While these types of food should be eaten in moderation, they can be a fun and tasty treat from time to time. Segment 2. Food facts. Now, let's move on to some interesting facts about food. The world's largest pizza was made in Italy in 2012 and measured over 13,000 square feet. The most expensive spice in the world is saffron, which can cost over $500 per pound. The world's most expensive coffee is made from beans that have been eaten and excreted by a civet, a type of cat-like animal. There is a species of mushroom that tastes like chicken. The world's hottest chili pepper is called the Carolina Reaper and can measure up to 2.2 million Scoville heat units. Segment 3. Cooking tips. Finally, let's end with some cooking tips. When cooking meat, always let it rest for a few minutes after it's done cooking to allow the juices to redistribute. Use a meat thermometer to ensure that your meat is cooked to the proper temperature. When cooking vegetables, try to steam or roast them instead of boiling them to help retain their nutrients. When baking, always measure your ingredients carefully to ensure the best results. Don't be afraid to experiment with different spices and flavors to make your dishes more interesting and unique. And there you have it, some interesting facts and tips about food. Remember, food is not only important for our health, but it can also be a fun and enjoyable part of life. So next time you sit down to eat, take a moment to appreciate all the amazing things that food can do for us. Thanks for watching.